In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set working hours on Google Calendar. Whether you're managing your own schedule or coordinating with the team, knowing how to efficiently set up your working hours can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to Google Calendar. If you're not signed in already, you'll see the option to sign in at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter your Google account information. If you've already logged into other Google services, you may see your account listed there. If not, you'll need to type in your email address and password. Once that's done, simply click Next or press Enter. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your calendar view. From here, we're going to start by creating an event. In the main panel, locate and click on the Create button, which typically sits in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. This will open a new event form where you can edit and customize event details. Click on Event if you're not already taken to this specific form. Now it's time to name your event. Since we're setting working hours today, you can title it something straightforward like Working Hours. Once that's done, you'll want to set the date and time for when these working hours apply. You can do this by clicking on the date and time fields and entering the appropriate information. If it's hours you intend to maintain regularly, you'll need to take an additional step to make these settings repeat for the appropriate days. Look for the option that says Does Not Repeat. Click to open the drop-down menu and select the option for every weekday. This will apply your working hours from Monday to Friday automatically without any need for daily input. Next, you'll see an option to set your availability. Choose Busy to ensure that others know you're occupied during these hours. This is a handy feature for colleagues who might try to schedule meetings with you. After inputting all the necessary details, go ahead and click on the Save button to finalize your event setup. Doing this will create and reflect your working hours on your calendar immediately. As a final touch, you can use the highlight feature to make your working hours stand out more prominently. It's a helpful way to make sure these hours catch your eye at a glance, especially if you have a busy calendar. And there you go. You've successfully set up your working hours in Google Calendar. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.